Good morning. My name is Mak Gok. I'm a South Sudanese from Jonglei State. I'm online today responding to one of controversial journalists who comment on Facebook and ask a very important question which triggered a debate. His name was Garang John, and we all know Garang John is one of our journalists on social media. And I understand also Garang John is a South Sudanese from Jonglei State, as me. We are sharing the same state. I wish this video reach out to Mr. Garang John, and I urge you to share it as much as you can. His question was, as I said, is very important, like why a Nuer man or a woman never appointed as the Minister of Finance and Economic Planning since 2005. That is very important question and real truth. So this question is like any of the other questions that are being asked by the people of South Sudan since 2005. For example, why only the president of South Sudan is Salva Kiir since 2005? Why only him making all the decisions, appointing people, and leading the government since 2005? So, I'm not saying that Mr. Garang John was wrong or arrogant by asking this question. Therefore, I would like to respond to him, to you, my brother Garang John, and add some additional question which you may have forgotten when you ask your first question. For your information, not only the Ministry of Finance and Economic Planning, that Salva Kiir never appointed a Nuer man or a woman to lead it since 2005. There are many institutions. You forget the Central Bank of South Sudan. You forgot South Sudan Police Service Inspector General. You forgot South Sudan Supreme Court Chief Justice. You forgot the NALFA Director General. You forgot South Sudan Custom and Excise Director General. You forgot South Sudan Ambassador to the United Nations. And you forgot many institutions that Nuer man never appointed to lead. These are the key institutions, the key national institutions, which are responsible for, as I mentioned them, the economic, the security, the foreign affairs policy, the justice system of the country, the law and order, and many other services that every state and government should provide to its people. The reason why only Dinka tribesmen and women are being appointed to lead this institution by Salva Kiir is the center of the problem. That is a question with other tribes, including the Nuer. We said Dinka are corrupt and fail in the country. Like, for example, if you are a nationalist and you realize that all the key institutions which are failing the country today are being manned by the Dinka, and yet you don't convince that Dinka bear the responsibility for the state failure, so totally or clearly you are just a tribal antagonist who want to support his tribe position. And this tribalism, Mr. Garang John, is what you have been defending till recently because you are a Dinka. You said Salva Kiir was right until you fell apart with him recently. So it is a very good question. But in your next questions, tell us what you think this institution that we are talking about has brought to our existence as a nation state. Tell us what they brought. They brought good or they brought bad to the people of South Sudan. And in your next question or inquiry about why all the Dinka are appointed by Salva Kiir government since 2005 to head this institution. Tell us if this is tribalism or what is the secret behind this. So after all, we realize that you mean to talk as a nationalist. So thank you, and let hope South Sudan will be a better place when this current government transforms.